Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install local mods on New Truck Simulator 2. This will also work for American Truck, and of course it works on TruckersMP. So to get started, join my Discord server, link will be in the description of this video, and scroll down and head to the local mod bypass channel. In bypass download, you can come to the plugin based download here. Just click this button right here. This bypass should work on any version of U-Truck and American Truck, but in case there is a new update, always download the latest version, which is always at the bottom of this channel. So just going to download that. Now with that download, if you want to head over to the ALM download channel and download the latest version of ALM, of course as always download the one at the bottom of this channel. With both these downloaded, head over to your downloads folder or wherever you downloaded the files, and I'm just going to extract ALM here. You do need software to extract these, so if you want to download something like 7-zip, WinRAR or PZip, then just extract these files. I'm just going to also open up the bypass here. Just going to move that slightly to the side there. Next, if you want to head onto Steam, right click your U-Truck or American Truck. If you're going to add mods on both of them, make sure you do it for both games. So just going to right click, click manage and browse local files. Head into the bin folder, the Win64 folder, and right here create a plugins folder. In this plugins folder, you just want to extract the DLL inside here. Now that that's done, I'm going to head back to my downloads folder, going to open up Project ALM, and open up the exe file. Head over to Tools, and click the console/save format. With that done, if you want to open up your game, now with your game loaded, just want to head over to Options, click on Keys and Buttons, scroll to the bottom here, scroll slightly up, look for Quick Save, and you just want to set this key to anything you want. I'm going to click the Start button on my numpad. After, click on Drive. So next, I'm just going to click the Start button or whatever button you just selected, and that will make a save. You can also open up your console to check where your save is. So that is just the button to the left of your 1. And as you can see here, it tells us the exact location of where your save is. If this says Steam Profiles, you need to turn off Steam Cloud. Next, just going to Alt Tab out again. Just going to scroll down on my Discord, and he has a bunch of mods that will work for TruckersMP, and of course single player. On each channel you click, make sure to read the very top, and it will tell you what section you need to use in ALM. So just for interiors here, it's a vehicle mod. For interior add-ons, I need to use add-on. So first I'm going to do a truck mod, so I'm just going to go into interiors, and I'm going to download my UK interior. Just going to extract that. I'm going to head back into ALM. So because the mod I downloaded is a vehicle mod, I'm going to click vehicle. Just remember, you can go into the Discord and you can tell which section you need to use from reading the top here. I'm going to select my save. So that's my U-Truck documents, which is your home folder. Go into Profiles. And you need to remember what your save was called from before, which you can check from your console. Such as mine was this one here. I'm going to go into Save. I'm going to go into the Quick Save folder. Click your game SII. Next, I'm going to select the mod I downloaded. So select Download Mod. That's in my downloads. Just going to go into the folder. If you see the mod files folder, you know you're in the correct place. So the select folder. and click Install Mod. Now with that installed, I'm going to go back into game. Just going to hit escape, save and load game, and I'm going to load that quick save. Now that the game's loaded, as you can see, the interior mod has successfully worked. It's the exact same process for trailer mods. Of course, you just click the trailer section ALM, and of course in game you just need to have your trailer assigned to you and attached to your truck. For this next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to install trailer mods. I know I slightly mentioned that, but I would still prefer to show you. So again, just went to ALM local mod here and click trailers. You can see at the top here, it tells me in ALM I need to use trailer mod. So let's say I want this helicopter here. Most mods will tell you which trailer you need to have in game. You can see here I need the SCS low bed. So now in game here, I've found the SCS low bed. Just going to purchase that. I'm going to go into trailer manager here. And I'm going to use that trailer. So just going to click on drive. And I'm just going to quickly F7 to attach my trailer for me. So now that I've got the trailer attached, just going to click my store again, or whatever button you press to make a quick save. Again, if you're unsure where your save is, you can click the console and it will tell you the exact location. So now that I've got that set up, just going to download the mod here. And again, I'm just going to extract the mod. So now with the mod extracted, I'm going to go back into ALM. Going to click on trailer mod. Going to select my game save again. And just going to select the mod I downloaded. And click Install Mod. With that installed, I'm going to go back into game. And you just need to load your save. Again, just loading the quick save. Now the game's loaded, as you can see, the helicopter has successfully been added to the trailer. For this next part of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Addon Mods. So that's the interior add-ons here, and exterior add-ons. So it is slightly different to the mods before. So let's say I want to install my Jack and Daxter model. Addon Mods have to replace an in-game item. So if we head into game, just going to go to the truck stop here. So I want my model on the table here. So I'm just going to pick a random item. Now that you've picked a random item, click your console key. Again, that's the button to the left of one. And you will see a name here. So the x21_teddy.addon hookup. This part is important. Addon mods can only replace add-on hookups. So if it doesn't say that here, you can't replace that item. For example, right here, these mods are not add-on hookup mods, so you cannot replace them. So, just going to remember the X21. I recommend this being a unique item, so it's easier to find. Such as if you already have a cell phone, don't make another cell phone, as it'll be hard to differentiate between each one. So now that I've got the Teddy here, just going to save that. And I'm going to click my shortcut key to make a quick save. So again here, Just click the console key to know exactly where your save is. I'm just going to download my mod here. And again, just going to extract the mod. With that extracted, I'm going to go into ALM. And I know this is an Addon Mod, so I'm going to click that. Just a reminder, the top of each channel, it does tell you what you need to select in ALM. I'm just going to select my save again. Going to select the mod. And now for this box which is highlighted here, click on here. And you get a list of items that you can replace. So as my console said, I'm looking for the X21 Teddy, which I has found right here. So I'm just going to click on that and click Install Mod. When that's done, I'm going to go back in the game and load my save. Now back in game, as you can see, the mod has successfully loaded. So now, let's say you added the mod and you no longer want it, you can easily uninstall them with ALM. So on ALM, just head to the uninstall and select your save. Now for this part, you do have to know what your mod is called. So let's say I no longer want my Jack and Daxter statue. Obviously the name is easier for this one, but if you go to the downloaded files for the mod, you can see the exact name of that mod you just installed. So I'm going to go into ALM here. Say I do not want the Jack model anymore. Just going to tick that box and click uninstall. Now back in game, just going to load that save. And the game's loaded and that mod has been successfully uninstalled. Now for mods downloaded on different Discord servers that is not Instanix, the process is roughly the same, except you might run into a few issues. You might not be too sure where each mod goes, but it's pretty simple. If it's a mod made for a specific truck, it goes in the vehicle mod section. Obviously trailers go in the trailer section. And add-ons, which can usually go onto any truck, obviously go into the add-on section of ALM. Let's say I wanted this exhaust here, so I'm just going to download that. I'm just going to extract that exhaust file. Head into ALM, just select your save. And select the downloaded mod. Now as you can see here, it has failed to automatically copy the files, so we're going to have to do that manually. The best way to do that is just to open up the add-on file or the add-on hookup. This will give us a file path here. So just going to copy this folder. As you can see, it's got the exact name of what we need here. Head over to the documents, U-Truck's in there too. And we're just going to make the folder. So home is your ETS2 documents folder. Then we see we need this folder here. Just going to create that. Inside here, I'm just going to paste that folder. Now that is sorted for that, back into ALM, just going to install the mod. Enter U-Truck, I'm going to load that save. Now you see the mod has loaded there. I do have a different truck type, so it's not shown correctly. So if I just head inside the truck parts there, I'll just quickly make sure that's working fine. So I can see there, I've just changed the chassis and the exhaust is working correctly. If you do have any issues, make sure to join my Discord server and head over to the support section. To speed up the process, make sure when you are in the support section, you head into your console in-game and take a screenshot of any errors you may have. It might be easier if you tick the errors and warning options up here and just take a screenshot. Please do not ping any staff members or any roles. Someone will reply to you as soon as possible to be able to assist. Since we are always using the same save in Project ALM, it's best to head over to the settings option, head to the stored save path, and I'm just going to select that save since I am always using that exact same save. With that being saved, that will save me a bit of time each time I want to install a mod, because now if I head over to like the vehicle section, my save is automatically loaded so I can skip the selecting the mod. Of course, if you do get a new save, just come over here, click the X, then the save has been removed. Project ALM also does have some options for save editing. So if you want to easily change your truck engine, transmission, money and experience, that is easy enough. This is a popular one, is using the Volvo 750 horsepower engine, so you can easily apply that to your current truck. That's all I'm going to go over in this video. If you do have any issues, of course join the Discord server, provide any errors you may have, and wait for a staff member to help you. That being said, thanks for watching.